I'm going to explain to you how variable scoping works in Python. In this program, I define the color blue at the global scope. In the function foo, I have a local variable color, then it does a comparison, and then finally at the end, it prints out the global color. When I run this, you see that good isn't printed. And this is because it's using the local color variable, and since it's not blue, it doesn't print out good. Now, if I take this line out and run it again, you'll see the good being printed out. This is because I don't have a local color variable, so I use the global one. And since it is blue, it prints out good. Now I'm going to put the statement color equals red back in, but here instead in the if statement. You'll be surprised because when I run this now, you get a syntax error. It says cannot access local variable color. What is going on? Well, because I've actually defined color equals red, Python actually looks at this function and decides that it needs to create a local color variable. And so when it runs this function, the local variable color isn't defined, not associated with a value. And so it gets a little bit confused. Well, the intention obviously is to use the global color. And to do that, I now have to tell Python explicitly that I want to use the global color. And so I'm going to use global color here. So whenever you're trying to set the value of a global variable, use the global keyword. Now, when I run this, it works as expected. Try this out on CodePad.app, our modern online code editor.